today we will try to learn that how to restrict some participant in our Google Forms. So for that, what we need to do, first we need to create the email ID list of all those participants. You can see that here I have taken, for example, one column I have created for name and one column I have created for email ID. You can also create like same. I think all of you have the email ID list of all your participants. After that, what we need to do, sometimes we use some formulas in Google Sheet, or we can say Excel, that we need to do here, and the formulas are very easy. You just need to click on this box here, then you type here equals to, then you type a term CONCA. You can see this term you need to type it fully, TENATE. Then you start here small bracket, then you click on this one B2, now comma, double inverted comma, then a vertical line will be there, then again double inverted comma, and then you close the bracket, and then you press enter. One more time we need to apply the formula, and after that it will be easy for us. In this box now we will type equals to, again that term CONCATENATE. After that we'll start the small bracket, then we will click on this one, C2 has come, then comma, then we will click on this, B3 has come, then again comma, after that double inverted comma, vertical line, double inverted comma, and then close the bracket, then you press enter. After that you just increase the width of this column, and then you, when this sign will come here, this sign, you double click here, and you can see here all the email IDs have been copied in the last row. Now you just click here, this one, right click and do copy. After copying this, you just go to Google Form. This is Google Form. I have created one Google Form for here for example. You can see a demo for restricting participants. Whatever questions I need to give, all the questions I have given. Now when I will click here, I will go for plus, add questions. And I am adding questions here. Now I will type email ID. You can also write there email ID. It should be short answer question. If it is multiple choice question, then convert it to short answer question. Then you can see here 3 dots. Just click on the 3 dots and go for response validation. Here this one you will go for regular expression. It must be matches. Here pattern, you remember we copied email IDs from that Google Sheet. Here you just right click and paste. Now all the email IDs whatever you have in your Google Sheet have been pasted here. And when the students will type these email IDs in this box, then only they will get entered. If they are typing one email ID which we have not written there, then they will not be allowed to for the next part of the form. Then here you can write one custom error text. Suppose if one student is typing his email ID and his email ID you have not given there, then what you want to show there, you can write here contact your subject teacher. Okay, then you can make it required. After that, what is our work? We will add a section from here. This button you can see, we will add a section from here. So this is now section 1 and this is section 2. Section 2 is coming untitled section. If you want, you can write here. If it is periodic test, you can write here periodic test. If it is benchmark, you can write here benchmark test. Nothing else. Now, if you want to view this question, this will be viewed like this. You can see, you can go for preview. If you go to preview, and the first time they will see only the section 1. And when they will enter any email ID which we have not given there, suppose if I am writing Singh, Akash, any email ID which I have not given there, then they will not get permission. See, they didn't get the permission, and what is written here? Contact your subject teacher. But if I write one email ID that I have given there, then they will be allowed for the next section of the examination. Write any email ID which is given there already. Suppose I'm typing here. Then they will be allowed for the next part of the exam. See, now they can go for section 2 and they can submit also. Okay. So what are the settings we need to do for that Google form? In Google form also we need to do one settings. You can go to settings. Here collect email. We are not doing collect email IDs now. Limit to 1 response. Presentation will be like this only, and quizzes, make this quiz. Later after manual review, missed question, point values, that is it.